Hey! Oh, I need to turn on the light. Hold on a second. I just got my AVON kit. Let's see. And I am so excited because I couldn't believe this. It came so fast, first of all. This is the $100 kit. And they say $400 of product in it, and I believe it. Probably more. So anyway, I wanted to let you know. Alright, so let me just turn so you can see this. There's 2 boxes. Heard them plop on my step just a few minutes ago. Alright, I'm going to tell you what I found in it. I've got Campaign 10 catalogs. I've got 10 of those. I believe this is the welcome pack. Haven't opened it yet. I will later. I'll tell you in a minute. I got bags, really nice bags for customers to orders. And I have another campaign here. I got a campaign catalog for campaign 9. And I have 10 of those. And then this is campaign 8. So I think campaign 8 is going on right now. I have 10 of those. You want a catalog? Give me a buzz. Alright, so I'm going to move to the next box because this is what really got me excited. I was about to place an order. And oh, I forgot. They got this Kickstart. I pulled that one out. That shows me how I can earn some extra money. Be my own boss. Okay, so this is really cool. Woo! This gigantic AVON bag comes in it. Just get a little unzipping going on here. Okay, now the front unzips. I'm going to take the parts off. Okay, so this is your shoulder strap. And it's got a little Velcro thing, and you got a mirror in there. Look at that. Nice mirror. And then this flips down. And this case in here, I believe that's removable. Get that out of here. See it. Sorry. Let me show you inside there. Okay, I believe that's for your samples. Okay, so that's in there. I'll show you. Got some pockets, zippers, little pockets there. This thing snaps on the side. Makes it expandable. Alright, then there's this big pocket back here. You can see that on the outside. Alright. Okay, so moving right along here, that's the big bag, which was definitely a plus for getting this kit. Look in there. Ooh. This is a $100 kit. Full size haiku. Full size, a new power serum. Okay, now these are the kind of things that I was going to buy anyway. I think they had a sale on them for 2 for $40. So I figured I was at $40 anyway. I might as well go ahead and get the kit. Get a discount for later. This is eyeshadow. This is AVON True Color. And that is the Romantic Mauves. Got sample lipsticks, 10 of those. I got another 10 sample lipsticks. Anybody need a sample? I've got samples for Skin So Soft. There looks like there's 5 in there. 5 of 3 samples. The samples are creamy body wash, bath oil, and body lotion. And then I got another set of them, so I got 10 of those. 10 sets of those. Then I have a new day cream, night cream, and power serum. These are pretty good sized samples too. So there's 5 in there, I believe. And then there's another pack of that. So I got 10 of those. Anybody want to try some skincare? And then here we got another pile. Multi-Performance Day Cream, Multi-Performance Night Cream, and Power Serum. Okay, and that, I got another one of those. Oh. There's 10 of those. That's 30 sets of these samples that I got, plus the 2 sets of the lipstick. I've got, this is one of the things I was going to buy too, Clinical Eye Lift. I sold Avon before and I used to love this, and I haven't been able to use it because I haven't found an Avon lady lately. Okay, and then I have Avon Magics. This is Face Perfector. Full size. The other one was a full size also. Got a new Ultimate Night Cream. Full size. I've got a new Ultimate Day Cream. Full size. I have makeup remover wipes. I believe that's a full-size container. There's 24 wipes in it. My pile's getting big. I have a Blackest Black. Where's the name on this? This is an eyeliner. There's a name to this, but I can't find it on here. It's kind of scrunched up, but this is the eyeliner. I think this is the one that rolls up. It doesn't, you don't need a pencil sharpener. It just rolls up. Okay. I have Skin So Soft Original Body Wash. That is a 11.8 ounce bottle. Oh, I need to put it back in here. I have a new Vitamin C. It's a 1 ounce bottle, and that's a full size, I believe. And I have 3 lipsticks here. 3 full-size lipsticks. Okay, so this is definitely a bargain to get the kit. Lipstick, and that is, see if my eyes help me out here. Lipstick, I can't see. I have to get a magnifying glass to see it. Rouge. Okay, well here, see if you could see it. There. Okay. Then we have a full size bottle of Far Away. Got a new Ultimate Cream Cleanser. That's a 4.2 ounce tube. Sorry. That's in there. We got Moisture Therapy, Intense Healing and Repair. Ooh. I have Skin So Soft Original Replenishing Hand Cream that I'm going to use when we get off of here. Skin So Soft Original Body Lotion. Another full size. Got a pump. And I believe that pump is going to go to the bath oil. Big bath oil. Skin So Soft. 16.9 ounces. And also, not even done yet. We have the Platinum Cream. Let me see, where's the directions? Smooth over cleansed face and neck in the nighttime. If tingling occurs, wait 15 minutes after cleansing or use sparingly. Okay, so that's a night cream. And then we have the Platinum Day Cream. I'm guessing these are minis. Okay, let me put all those back. Whoa, keep dropping my lipstick. It's like a roller coaster ride when I hold this thing. Okay, I want to look at that other folder, see what's in there. Put all this stuff back real quick. Yeah, I didn't even put makeup on. I didn't do nothing. I just got the mail. Got to head out soon. I definitely wanted to do this while when I first got it. Okay, so I want to open this up and see what's in this folder. Whoa. Come on out, folder. I'll put you down for a minute. Sorry. Upside down. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Alright, what's in here? It looks like these might be recruiting information. I have an order form, order book. So if people don't order online, you use these books. This looks like welcome to Boss Life. So it's going to tell me what I'm doing here. And this is Live the Boss Life. Now it's time. So I think these are also recruiting pamphlets. And they have a new line called Aspira, which is, I think, vitamins and get healthy stuff, which I'm going to look into that. Okay, this looks like their AVON. Oh, this is for representatives. So this is stuff that I get to order from because I'm a representative. So I'll have to look into that more because I'm not sure. What's new? Okay, so this is the one that I definitely was going to get, but decided to get the whole kit. So they tell you what's new so that you're up to date on what's going on. And then more what's new. Happy Mother's Day. My guess is that they come out with these every month or every campaign. And then, okay, they have this special here that definitely is an excellent special. It's $20 for $65 worth of Skin So Soft. And Skin So Soft is good in the wintertime and in the summertime. So it's a good time to get it when it's on sale. All right, and this is my guide. So I'll be looking at that to see what I need to be doing. And that's it. That's what's in that folder. And let me just sign off here. And if you have any questions, email me, message me, and I'll get back to you. I'll look into it. Bye.